Hey there, crafty friends. Welcome back to Mani Maker. So today I'm super excited to show you how to make a gorgeous birthday card using your Cricut machine. And hey, if you ever need instant help with the Cricut or have any questions about any of our products, feel free to call our experts at the number on the screen. We are here to help you succeed. Alright, grab your Cricut and grab some cardstock and let's get started. Trust me, you're gonna love how it turns out. First, open up Cricut Design Space on your computer. Alright, now click on New Project to start with a fresh canvas. Next, click on Shapes and select the square and resize it. Once that's done, choose the color you like. Click on the text tool and type your message. Now, you can change colors, add text, and adjust text size however you like. Click on the Operations drop-down menu and select Pen and add extra elements if you want to. Once everything looks perfect, click that green Make It button at the top. Is there any topic you want us to cover in the next video? If yes, please let us know in the comments below and also hit the subscribe button. Follow the on-screen instructions and select your cardstock. Load your mat into the Cricut machine and make sure the pen is inserted into a tool holder. Alright, now press the flashing button and let your Cricut cut the design. Finally, your birthday card is ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.